Description: Our new restorative conditioner treats damaged, over-processed hair to 360-degree repair. Boosted with clinically proven vegan silk and bond building technology to reduce breakage and increase strength from the inside out. Benefits: Instantly repairs and protects against breakage. Significantly repairs damage while also protecting from 450 degrees Fahrenheit heat. Suggested use: Apply to wet hair, wait 1 minute, rinse. Salon born. Client approved. This is next generation haircare by stylists who get it. 4 founders, army of stylists, from 3 different cities, with one mission: to work with your hair and keep it healthy. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for damaged hair. I have color-treated hair and I strictly use vegan products. This brand is my all-time fave haircare brand. Everything I've used has been amazing, and this conditioner works wonders for those who have very damaged or dry hair. And I adore the way all their products smell. Couldn't be any better.